Hey everybody, it's Greg from Park Journey. Hope you're all doing well. Happy Monday. This is really the quickest update we're ever going to have for Fast and Furious. I had hoped to get into Universal Studios yesterday prior to Halloween Horror Nights to get update stuff, but I was blocked out, didn't know until I got there. User error on my part. So basically, I just got video of progress on Fast and Furious as I was heading back up to the upper lot after doing the houses at Halloween Horror Nights on the lower lots. So very quick update. We're going to get right into it. But before I do, click below to subscribe to our channel. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed that. Quick update for Fast and Furious. I didn't even hook up the good microphone or anything today, or the light. It's like a 3-minute update. So hope you enjoyed that. Looking forward to Fast and Furious, obviously. And have a great week, everybody.